Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Vidpopup, a tool that claims to build high converting video funnels for your website and social media. It's an alternative to Video Ask, and also I remember another tool on AppSumo that's pretty similar that's called Warm Welcome. And Vidpopup is a video funnel builder that helps you interact with your website visitor in real time to convert more leads. The idea here is that you're going to create a video with different kind of formats, and you can also create a video using steps, as you can see here, step 1, 2, 3. So you build funnels to convert leads and customers, and then you're going to embed it on your website in different kind of formats as well. I'm going to show you. You're going to get all the future Pro Plan updates, and the difference here is that you need to buy at least tier 2 to get no video pop-up branding. So if you buy the tier 1, you're gonna get branding. So it's pretty much at least a tier 2 deal. And you have a limit of templates here as well. If you buy the tier 2, you got only 10 templates. If you get tier 3, you're gonna get the 10 templates right now, but also the templates that they will add in the futures. You also get more sub users and more storage with the tier 3. So the tier 3 has the complete package. Let's see how the tool works. Here you can see the dashboard where you have the analytics. So the percentage of average view rate, the total vid pops that you have, that they are the funnels, they are the videos, and the number of replies. You click here on the right to create a new video pop-ups, but let's check the settings first. So on the settings, you can change your branding. I can do that. For instance, deleting the video pop-up branding because I'm using the trial, but you'll be able to do that on settings. You can see the roadmap here on that button here on below left, where you can see the next integrations and features. They will add, for instance, Public Connect soon. You also get a training tab here where you can see the tutorials that will help you to create the new funnels using video pop-up. And here where you can see the kind of templates that they have, I'm going to show you. So they have a discount template. The meaning here is to offering discounts. Use the discount template to ensure your customers are aware of it and collect their details. I'm going to show you how it works here. So here's an example of templates.
Thank you for your interest in purchasing our product. We would like to give you a discount. Leave your email and get your discount.
So use that template to record your own video to ask your customers, your leads, potential leads, their email. Then they will write here and submit, and they will receive a discount. As you can see, it works like as a full landing page as well. You can see the FAQ template, a webinar template as well, feedback, a support template. I'm going to show you the webinar that everybody uses that. That's an example of webinar template.
Thank you for signing up for our webinar. We're excited to have you on board. To make the most out of your time with us, we would like to gather all questions you have. We will make sure to answer the common ones during the webinar.
So they're inviting you to a webinar and you can answer them by audio. You click here and you record, video, and text. So there are the 3 kinds of replies that you can get from your lead customers, okay? Audio, video, or text. That kind of video here that you're seeing, you can embed it on your website in different kind of formats. Let's check the integrations. They have the integrations with Viber, GetResponse, MailChimp, Zapier, Publi, Sendinblue, and you can also upload a CSV file to send the videos to your customers. You're going to see the replies from your video here. For instance, they replied with an audio or a text. You're going to see the replies here on that tab. So now let's create a video pop-up. If you click here, you can start from scratch or use a ready-made template. Let's, for the sake of that review, select one of their templates. So you go to the template page. We saw the webinar template. Let's think we can use that one. So it's pretty simple to use. As you can see here, there is only one step video. You can create funnels, which make it pretty different. Pretty different.
Name is Sarah.
Let's think you want to just recreate that video. And you go here on our template and you click on the plus button and you can record a video, upload. In the future, you can use an AI spokesperson, or you can even record screen. They have also stock videos that you can add, okay? And also GIFs. You can use GIFs. I'm using that Harry Potter video GIF here, and I'm creating my first step with that GIF, okay? So people are gonna see that GIF, and you can select the kind of answers you're gonna accept. So multimedia, multiple choice. You can use a call to action, subscribe here, and then you add your link here for people to subscribe to your newsletter. You can also add notes and change the video. Just click on the button on the right, and you can use the same instructions here. You can record video, upload, AI spokesperson, record screen, or stock video. Just choose another video here, and you can see it's done. Okay, you can add text here and also change where you're going to place your text. You can change also the background color of the text. As I said, you can choose different kind of replies. You can change the video and you can create a funnel. Okay, so step 1, you can create a step 2 here. Let's say with another stock video. You can also upload your videos, as I said. That's my second step. So after the first step, people will go to my second step. Okay, when you're ready to go, you just save it. You can see your whole funnel here. You can also preview it clicking here. Add SEO and change some instructions. For instance, you can add autoplay, change the border, use one of those integrations. You can see the URL here that you're going to share. And the widget style, you can change like the bubble or like a rectangle here, and the position on the right or left. You can change the color of the bubble, clicking on that button here, and then you click here to get the code. You're gonna embed the code on your website, and you are ready to go with your video. Overall, the tool is pretty good. I think that the main difference here is that steps feature. So the funnel is the first time that I see a tool on AppSumo with that kind of funnel strategy that you can create many different kind of videos. It will be good to create, for instance, gamification experience. And also it's a way to connect your website with video, making everything more interactive to have a better connection with your users. I like the tool. I think it's pretty simple to understand how to use and to work with it. Just take a look at the deal, see if it works for you. I just add the link in the description. Just click on the link to help me to keep going as well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.